Hello everyone, in this short tutorial video, I will show you how you can add custom tabs on your navigation bar on your Canvas course shell. So to begin, you want to select which Canvas course you would like to create the custom tab in. And as you can see here on my screen, I am on Sandbox 1. So this is the course I will be using to demonstrate this process. So first, you want to scroll all the way down until you see the Settings tab. And then once you see the Settings tab, you're going to go ahead and click it. And once you click it, you then want to click on the Apps tab. And once you click on the Apps tab, you'll see External Apps. And right here it says Filter by Name. So you want to go ahead and type in the app name, which is titled Redirect Tool. Now, as you can see, the redirect tool has automatically appeared on my screen. However, if you do not see the redirect tool appear, you will need to contact your Canvas IT administrator to allow you access. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the redirect tool, and it's going to take you here. It says redirect tool, and then you're going to click on add app. So once you click on add app, the name is the name that you want to call your custom tab. So let's say, for example, I want to create an office hour tab. So I'm going to go ahead and type in office hours. Now, the URL redirect, that is the link that directs people to your office hour page or office hour app, whatever you use for office hours. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the URL. And then once you type in the URL, you want to select Show in Course Navigation. Once you do that, you want to select Add App, and on the top here it'll say this app was added successfully. Now, to see that the app was added successfully, you want to go ahead and click on Home, and then scroll down, and you'll see Office Hours was created right here. So you can go ahead and click on it, and then you'll see to visit this URL, click on the link below, and it will redirect you to whatever page you inputted when you selected the link. Now, if you ever want to remove a custom tab that you created, you would simply go back to Settings, right here, click on Settings, click on Apps right here, and then you would click on View Configurations. Click on View Configurations, and then you would simply scroll down, and then you'll see office hours, and then you can edit it, or you can delete it if you do no longer want that tab or you make a mistake. So that is how you create a custom tab on Canvas. If you enjoyed this video and thought it was helpful, please give it a like and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.